Alright guys, so let's take a look. You've done free verse poetry. Now we're going to look at what a haiku is. Now there's a good chance you've heard of this before. A lot of times we study this in elementary school, but it's a pretty cool poem form. So haiku is really simple. It's 3 very short sentences. The first sentence is going to have 5 syllables. The second sentence is going to have 7 syllables. And the last one's going to have 5. So we do the 5, 7, 5 with that. Now a syllable is a beat within a word. You can see that we have a definition here if you need it. I learned in elementary school that you kind of clap when you hear a beat in a word. Some people have learned that every time your chin hits the top of your hand when you're talking, that's a syllable. But let's do an example, like my last name, Allison, that has 3 syllables in it because there are 3 kind of beats you can hear in there, right? We could do the word introduction. Introduction. Again, I hear kind of 4 different beats in there, 4 syllables. Now I have a tool that will help you with that, okay? So the haiku it's a Japanese style of poetry, and it's really meant to just capture a small moment, something very small, very tiny. So here are some examples. Spring is in the air, flowers are blooming somewhere, children are laughing. That's it. That's the whole poem. And if we go through, we can count. Spring is in the air, right? Flowers are blooming somewhere. That's 7, right? Children are laughing. So, and that's it. That's just the image. Really simple with our haiku. Another one. Green and speckled legs hop on logs and lily pads, splash in cool water. That one's about a frog, right? And if you count again, we got green and speckled legs. Hop on logs and lily pads, right? Splash in cool water. That's it. Pretty simple, okay? One more, right? In a pouch I grow, on a southern continent, strange creatures I know. This one's kind of a riddle. It's about a kangaroo. So if you think about them growing in the pouch, right? In a pouch I grow, on a southern continent, strange creatures I know. So that's really the idea of a haiku. Very simple, very kind of lovely little image of a poem there. So if you look at your calendar, guys, you click on My Haiku, you're going to get this document. You're going to make a copy of it. Make sure you share it with me, please. And then this is going to help you. So we're going to go to a haiku generator. You're going to fill in the blanks, and then it's going to help you write your own poem. Okay, so when we click on this link, I get this right here. So this is our haiku generator. So I've already filled this out, but it's going to ask you to do it on your own. So you're going to have some prompts here. You can pick a time of year, time of day, or setting. So I said spring. An adjective to describe that place. Spring, or that the thing you picked, that's fresh. Next, it's going to ask you for 2 nouns, person, place, thing, or idea, so that don't really relate. So I said flower and shoe. Why not? Then we're going to choose an adjective, something to describe that noun. So I said bright. And then a verb, sleep. Do not put your email address here. You don't have to put your pen name, and then it says, boom, write me a poem. And look, it wrote me a very nice haiku here, okay? So I can copy and paste this into my document. Freshwater leaping, a lotus, bright flower sleep, whilst watching the shoe. My haiku, right? Okay, so I'd put it right here. Awesome. And that's it. That's my haiku, okay? And you can play with that generator as much as you want to make whatever kind of poem you want, all right? So once you're done, guys, make sure you share this with me and turn it in. This will be for both Wednesday and Thursday this week that you're writing your own haiku, all right?